before we have learned about generations of computer. Today we are going to learn about third lesson, data storage media. In that we are going to learn about memory storage, units of memory and types of computer memory. Types of memories are there like primary memory, secondary memory. So one by one we will see now. Let's see.
What is memory? Memory is the space where data and instructions store permanently or temporarily. Computers store data in digital format. The data and instructions that are entered into a computer system through input devices are stored in it in some storage media. This storage media is known as memory. A computer processes and stores data and instructions in the form of two digits, 0 and 1. These digits are called binary digits or in short bits. These bits are carried by electric circuits and stored on tiny chips. A small silicon chip is covered with millions of circuits. These chips are mounted on the daughter board, which is inside the motherboard of a computer. Units of memory. We need units to measure any quantity. For example, we use liters to measure liquids and we use meters to measure length. Similarly, data can be measured in bits, bytes and other units. Let's see. Bit is the smallest unit of information which a computer can process and store. A group of 4 bits is called a nibble and a group of 8 bits is called a byte. A computer memory is stored in the form of bits and bytes. Units of computer memory measurement. 1 bit binary digit, 8 bit 1 byte, 1024 bytes 1 KB means kilobyte, 1024 KB 1 MB means megabyte, 1024 MB means 1 GB gigabyte, 1024 GB means 1 TB terabyte, 1024 TB means 1 PB petabyte. Types of memory. The computer memory can be classified into two categories. They are primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory divided into 5 parts, hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, pen drive and Blu-ray disc. Primary memory is also known as the main memory of a computer. It is the inbuilt memory that is inside the CPU. It stores data or instructions currently used by the computer. The minimum size of primary memory is 256 MB. It is subdivided into ROM and RAM. ROM stands for read-only memory or ROM keeps the data permanently. The memory is non-volatile in nature. Even when a computer is switched off, its data does not get lost. ROM divided into 3 parts, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. PROM refers to programmable read-only memory. PROM is a memory chip on which we can store a program. EPROM refers to erasable programmable read-only memory. We can erase its stored information by exposing it to ultraviolet light. EEPROM refers to electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. The information written on it can be erased using electric signals. RAM stands for Random Access Memory or RAM refers to read and write memory. We can both write data into the RAM and also read from it. This is in contrast to ROM, which permits only reading of data. In RAM, the memory stores information in the form of electric signals. RAM is small, both in physical size and in the amount of data it can store. It is much smaller than a hard disk. A typical computer may come with 256 million bytes of RAM and a hard disk of 40 billion bytes. Difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is a volatile memory and ROM is a non-volatile memory. RAM is a temporary memory and ROM is a permanent memory.
Hello students, before we have learned about memory storage, units of memory and types of memory. In types of memory, we have seen primary memory. In primary memory, two types are there, ROM and RAM, that we have seen before. So today we are going to learn about secondary memory. Today we are going to learn about secondary memory. Secondary memory is known as backup memory. Secondary memory is the permanent memory. And in the second memory, we can store the information for a long period. That we will see now.
Secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store information for a longer period of time. It is needed because internal storage of a computer is insufficient to store and save large amount of data for future reference and retrieval. Hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD and pen drive are common kinds of secondary memory. What is a secondary memory? A memory which stores data and programs for a long period of time is called secondary memory. This memory can also be called backup storage memory or mass storage media. Although it is placed in lower position due to low speed, low cost, large size, it has a very large storage capacity. Hard disk, CD, DVD, SD card, pen drive, Blu-ray disc, floppy disk, magnetic tape, SSD, HDD. These are the secondary memories. It is a hard disk. A hard disk is fixed inside the cabinet of a CPU. It is made up of many rigid metal plates coated to store data magnetically. A hard disk rotates while recording data. The normal storage capacity of a hard disk installed inside Pentium Core i3 machine nowadays is 500 gigabytes. These are the parts of hard disk: spindle, disk, save file, actuator, power port, data cable port, drive configuration port, circuit board, arm and read-write head. CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. Compact disc, popularly known as CD, is the most commonly used storage device. The diameter of CD ranges from 10 cm to 30 cm. A typical CD is of 13 cm diameter. One CD can store 600 to 750 MB data on it. Nowadays we get two kinds of CDs. CDR. CDR stands for compact disc recordable. In this type of CD, data once written cannot be changed or deleted. CDRW. CDRW stands for compact disc rewritable. Data in this CD can be erased or rewritten. This is DVD. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is very similar to a CD but can store much more data. Its capacity may range from 4.7 GB to 8.5 GB. We can store an extensive range of computer applications and movies on a single DVD. It is pen drive. A pen drive is a pen-like device. It is a small data storage device that can be attached outside a computer at a place called USB port. It can store a large amount of data, 1 GB, 2 GB or more. It is also known as flash drive. A Blu-ray disc is similar to a CD or a DVD in appearance, but it can hold up to 25 GB of data. It uses the Blu-rayers to hold a large amount of data. A Blu-ray reader is required to use a Blu-ray disc. These are the three types of disc: CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. These are the secondary memories.
Today we have seen secondary memory. In the secondary memory, some parts are there: hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, that we have seen. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.